my YouTube channel. My name is Josie, and today we are going to be doing an unboxing haul for Burberry. There is going to be lots of stuff in here, so go grab a bite to eat, bring it over, get some tea, drinks, whatever it is, make yourself comfortable. I'm going to show you guys what I got, and it is going to be absolutely great because a lot of these things are different types of bags, and I actually kind of need your help because two of them are the same style, just different colors. So I hope that you guys love the style, but let's go ahead and get started. So the first one that we're gonna go ahead and do is this bag right here. And my helper is gonna grab this for me. Here you go, thank you. All right, so this bag right here, I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you guys. It is obviously Burberry, because this whole haul is gonna be Burberry. But let's take a look. Okay, I love the dust bags that these things come in because it's so pretty. And it's actually really nice color. All right, let's take a look. Ooh, look at that. It's so pretty. It is such a unique bag. I love the shape of it. I think it's great because it's definitely something that you can use daily, dress it up and dress it down. And it's also super roomy inside, if you guys look. I love the fact that it has this clasp in the middle so that your stuff doesn't fall out. And you can actually like make it like ta-da, a whole other style, which is really great. And the interior pockets, I'm gonna go ahead and take out all the stuffing in here so you guys can see how big it is. It's great because on this side right here, there's actually two pockets, so you can put your cell phone in here and maybe like a lipstick or something, or you know, cards if you want to do it that way. And on the other side, there is a zipper, which is really nice because you can keep your valuables in there, kind of like that, right? So there's a zipper right there, but it's super roomy. But the best part about this bag is the leather is such a unique like material. It's kind of like pebbled leather, which is really great because then, you know, like you have to be super careful with it, but it will last a long time. And I love how it has the pattern on the side, but it's very subtle. So that's really great right there. And it also has these really nice handles that's actually adjustable, which I believe is like the best feature with this bag because you can adjust it on both sides. You can make it long or short, which is really nice. So this is gonna be like a dark brown color. And I'm gonna go ahead and go to the next unboxing and you guys can tell me which one you like better. Let's take a look. All right, so this next one right here is another, as you guys can see, another bag. Ta-da! It is gonna be really great because it's exactly like the other one, but the color is actually black, which is really nice because it's super durable. The other one is too, but I'm totally like very biased towards black because I love black. If I had to, I could wear black all day long, but it's really great because if you take a look right here, it's got the same features as the other one. It obviously has the colors of the Burberry pattern on the side. And this is actually really nice too because it's cloth, which is really good. And it has the clasp that you can go ahead and put right here in the middle. There you go, and open it up that way too. So I do like how that works because you can leave it closed like this or open it back up, which is great. So I'm not sure which one you guys like better, but I do really like this black color. Let me go ahead and show you guys the difference between the two. Here is the black, and then here is the brown and black. I couldn't decide which one to get, so I kind of just got them both. If you guys want to leave a comment down below and let me know which one your favorite color is. The great part with either one of these bags, it's really versatile because you can kind of use it year round. And the price point was amazing. Let me just show you guys. I actually got this at the outlet, but it is originally $12.50. It's called the Small Canterbury, but it was actually $600. So let me just show you guys how cool that is because that is such a good price. And let me just give you guys here's the original price right here. Take a look. See, it says $12.50, which is really good. And that's it. So that's for these two Burberry bags right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys another bag that I got. Now this one is more of like a tote. I really like the fact that this is actually like a lot bigger. You guys know me and my totes, and this is great because you can actually put so much stuff in here. Like if you wanted to, for example, put your laptop in here, use it for school, you know, as a weekend bag is great. And the cool part with this tote is it's actually reversible. So that's pretty cool, all the stuffing that they always put in there. But here is the other color on the inside, and then here's the outside. And I really like the fact that the straps are long, because sometimes when you buy a tote bag and the strap is short, like I buy it and I never use it because I can't stand it, like it sits under your shoulder really weird. But this one it actually sits on the shoulder like perfectly. You guys can see that. And it's so easy to reverse because sometimes it's really hard to reverse bags. But this one, she was just showing it to me. You grab it from this way, and it's internally here, and you push it out like this. And then you grab the other side and you push it out this way too. And pull it out. And that's it. So this is actually the other pattern, which is so cute, right? It's very simple. It has the word Burberry on there. If you're not in the mood and you don't want the logo showing, all you have to do is just reverse it out. I didn't show you guys my favorite part with this bag in regards to the detail on this that they did that was really cute, is they actually put, you guys can see it now, on the side here, it actually says made in Italy, Burberry. It says London, England. See what it says this. Burberry, London, England. So basically like where, you know, Burberry came from. So I think that was a really cute feature in the bag that makes it really different and unique. And I just like it. It's a perfect, like, especially if you're going to the beach, right? Because all the beaches are kind of open now. So you can just take this to the beach, just throw your bathing suit in there, you know, some drinks. It's actually really sturdy. I haven't bought an insert in here yet, but I'm pretty sure I could probably just take one of my other inserts and just stick it in here. So that'll be pretty cool to use. But I do love the size of this bag. I think it's great and it's very versatile. So let me know, comment down below which one your favorite bag is. I actually can't really decide, but I do also have a wallet that'll be really cool to also show you guys because it is part of the haul. And the great part is this wallet, you can actually go ahead and use on all of these things. So here it is. And they actually have these cute bags right now for spring. That's what they're using. And ta-da! Actually, the color, it's red, and I love, look at that. It's so pretty. Here's the leather, and it has like the Burberry logo right here in gold. And the best part with this wallet is there's actually tons of places to put your cards. So there's a card slot here, 1, 2, and 3. So 3 in one side, and then 3 in the other. So you actually have 6 card slots that you can use. And if you're carrying cash, I don't carry cash as much anymore. I usually use my cards, but there is a place right here for cash that you can put in there. And the nice part with this print is that it's like the Burberry print, but it's like printed on one side and then leather in another. And it's great because I can use it with this bag. I can use it with the brown one because it matches. I can use it with the black one. So I can actually use it for all of them. And it also has a pocket in here that you can put coins in there, you know, if you want, or like a card for easy access in and out. But this color is so pretty. I'll go ahead and take you guys some pictures for you so you guys can see what it looks like, but it's such a nice shade of red. And I just really love the way, how simple it is and how it looks. But yeah, I'm gonna definitely use this with all my other bags. And I hope you guys really like this Burberry haul. It is one of my favorite brands, and I love that there is so many different, you know, types of bags that there is to use for it. And I just really like the fact that I can use this with this, and I can also go ahead and use this bag here, right? And then I also have this one here. So let me know which one your favorite bag is, because I actually like them all. They're all kind of like different in their own ways, but the best part is, see the wallet? I can actually use it on this one. I can use it here, or I can use it here. So make sure you guys go and hit like down below and subscribe, and also comment which bag is your favorite bag out of the 3 of these. I still can't tell because I actually love all of them, and it was really great. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks, bye.